Good quarantine morning, good brunch, good dinner, whenever you like to eat pancakes. I'm going to turn these simple just add water pancakes into the best pancakes you ever had. On the back, it already has set ingredients and set amounts that you would need for these pancakes. I'm just going to add a couple more things to make this a better breakfast. So I have a couple of items here set up for you guys so you can see what you would need for this breakfast. I have a little under 1 cup of pancake mix. Next to it, I have a little under half a cup of water. I like to add ice cubes because I definitely want this to be cold as possible to get the fluff. 3 eggs for me, and I have a couple strips of turkey bacon with pepper and seasoned salt. Some frozen blueberries that I rinsed off, and some milk to use as I needed for my pancakes and for my eggs. Here I have my liquid gold. This is what's gonna change your life. It's a mixture of honey and clarified butter. I have 2 hot pans ready to go on my stove. You want to start with hot because that's how you're gonna cook your meals. As you see, I'm just adding water to see if the pans are ready. They are, so I'm going to add my liquid gold, just enough to not get my pancakes stuck, and also just enough to flavor the pan. As you can see, I am moving my spoon in a circular motion to create the pattern I want for the size of my pancake. Moving right along here, so I have my little under a cup of pancake mix, and I'm adding just a little bit of my ice cold water to the pancake mix so I don't over pour. As you can see, I'm using a measuring cup to mix my pancake mix in because it's just easier to handle, easier to pour, easy to clean, and I definitely recommend doing this. You can definitely alternate between the ice cold water and the milk to get to the consistency that you need for your pancake mix. I'm just working out the lumps in mine before I pour it into my hot pan. So you definitely want to clean as you go if you can. Saves more time at the end, and it's just easier too. I had to re-butter my pan because I took too long mixing up my pancake mix. Be better than me, you guys. Be better than me. Learn from my mistakes. Now let's make some pancakes. So I'm going to ease into pouring out my batter because I don't want to overspill to not keep that circular motion. But this is moving a little too slow. So when I make the next pancake, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. But you definitely want to go slow so the pan can cook the pancake evenly. Okay, what I'm doing right now, trying to go up under the pancake and flip it, that's what you don't want to do. You want to wait until the pancake is securely cooked on the rounds of the pancake before you flip, or you will get this. You have runny pancake mix everywhere, and that's not what you want. Look at me trying to fix it. Again, just wait till the bubbles are all the way around the edge of your pancake mix before you try to flip it, and keep your spatula clean so it doesn't get stuck to your batter. All right, a nice golden side. I'd like a little crisp because it adds a little flavor. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty even though I kind of messed it up. So after you flip it to the other side to cook, just add a little bit more liquid gold to keep the pancake from sticking, and of course to add more flavor to that side. All right, let's see what this hard work has shown us. Okay. Nicely golden. Blueberries cooked all the way through. Nothing's burnt, so I can live with that. So now you just want to keep buttering your pan with the liquid gold with every pancake and every flip before transferring to the finished plate. Now I'm just bringing the camera closer so you can see how it's supposed to look like before you flip it to the other side. You see the little bubbles coming through, and on the edge, that's what you want all the way around. You want the little bubbles around the edge all the way around before you flip. Now that I'm halfway through with my pancakes, I'm going to go ahead and start on my turkey bacon with the pan behind my pancakes. Adding a little oil just so the turkey bacon doesn't stick or get burnt. Little by little, piece by piece, we're going to put the bacon in so we can evenly cook them. Okay, now that I have my bacon and my pancakes up and running, I'm going to crack my eggs into this mixing bowl and beat them till I can't beat them anymore. And when I have them nicely beaten, I'm going to add a little milk because it adds a little fluff also to the eggs. And as you see, it kind of changes the color in the eggs also. And that's how I like my eggs. I don't add any seasoning until after I cook my eggs because that's how I like them. See right here, I messed up. Even though it was ready to flip, I didn't keep the motion that I've been doing. So now I just add a little bit of the liquid gold where it's stuck to the side of the pan and just work with it. work the liquid gold underneath it to loosen it up as it cooks and work it back down. See? No fuss, no muss. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you get the point. Note to self, you guys, when you're making eggs, make sure your heat is as hot as possible, especially when you're making scrambled eggs. The whole point is for the eggs to be cooked fast. That's why they're called scrambled, scurry, skirt, or whatever. So I had to turn the heat up on mine. So once again, be better than me, do better than me. That's all I ask. All right, there you have it. Nice big fluffy pancakes, turkey bacon, and fluffy eggs. No filter, no filter, no filter. Look how big and fluffy these pancakes look. Fluffy eggs, turkey bacon, that's seasoned. Lord knows turkey bacon can just be nasty. I noticed that I didn't get as many pancakes as the back of the box says, so do what I did and just use as you go so you don't overuse. And it's quarantine, so utilizing what you have is major key. And there you have it.